Guys, this is Stan Medina from Certified Collision Works. Here's another DIY, right? DIY, that's what it is. Do it yourself, right? For your do-it-yourselfers, man. If there's a video that y'all want to see us make, leave one in the comments, and we can make a video, anything automotive related. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. What do we have here today?
We have a door handle that we're.
Okay, so the see how it's stuck? Mm-hmm. Look. So we're gonna replace this part. What is this?
Toyota Versa.
What year? 2014 Toyota Versa. That's what's broken there. Look. Okay, so let's start. Little screwdriver right here. Look, there's a. Pop this off. This, boom. Just screw in there. I already loosened it earlier, but I wanted to show you. This. And we're gonna pop this off. This. Boom. There's gonna be a screw there. And then this door panel should pop off. So you can probably take this off. Take that off. Take this off. This handle should pop off. Andres, look at that roof off of that vent. So there's a plug here, look. Take this plug off. These plug, you can leave that bottom one. The bottom one's a light. You can take it off if you like. So on these on the plugs, like on this one, if you push this down, the back part it comes off. This one, look. Okay, so now we're gonna see where the handle's at. We can move this out of the way for now. We might have to roll up the window. This stuff is really messy, so try not to get it on you. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have to go up with the glass. So where's the key at? We're gonna hook this back up so we can move our window. Okay, we'll come up with the window. Now we can see our assembly in there. Okay, so turn this off. Right here on the side, there's a little plug. See this little plug? We're gonna pop that off. And if you look inside there, there's it's a torque. Okay, so torque is gonna be it's a 25. So you're gonna loosen the come inside. When you're not gonna take the screw all the way out. You're just gonna loosen it, and whenever you loosen it, it's gonna pop this cap off right here. See, you don't want to try to get the screw out. You just want to loosen it so this cap comes out, and then this handle, you pull it back. It should pull back, and then it comes out. You pull it back. See, I think it's broken. Okay, so we're gonna come back. Looks like it's broken in here. Now, wait. Let me see what's coming inside. Okay, so there's a little lock right here. See the lock? Let's see what this does. Oh, wow. Okay. So there's another torque in there. You can see it in there. You see it? I'm gonna loosen that one. But the handle, so the handle's jammed up in there. See, the handle's stuck somewhere. Usually if you pull the handle back, the handle should come out, but something's jamming it up. Yeah, let me see the light.
Is that the right part?
Yeah. It's right there on the edge. Let's see. What's up, baby? Increase. What? So I'm gonna try to clip this off. It's hanging on by a little piece of like a little small, like. That's weird because usually it'll pop right out. So something's jamming it up. I'm gonna loosen this one and see what it does. Its inside one's a 25, but you shouldn't have to loosen the inside one to get the handle off. That's what's kind of interesting. Let me see. There's like a lock right here. Oh, you know what it might be? I don't know what it might be. Okay, so on the inside, there's another little clip. There's another little harness here. That harness is probably going to be the one that's causing it to jam up. Okay, why is this clip on? Okay, there's a plug there. Okay, right here you see this wire right here. That wire is probably going to be for the button, like the hand detection. So that might be what's jamming us up. It actually looks like it goes in. Look, see this plug? That goes there, look. See, it goes right there. Goes right there. That's gonna be that's probably gonna be what's detecting. Look, see, there it goes, look. So you gotta take this off first. And the way this comes off, so this snaps right there, right? So it's like this inside, so you have to put a little screwdriver right here inside. When you snap it, you gotta pull it at the same time, so it's kind of tricky. You gotta kind of clip it in and pull it. There it goes. Then the handle will come off. So the handle looks like it. Oh, look, it's broken right there too. Look. So let's get that off and see what that looks like. So we already loosened it. Okay, so like if you look inside there, on this side there's a little rod in there. Look more. You see the rod? It's over there. You see that yellow? The yellow. This right here. We gotta take that off. Okay. So this snaps right off. Should come out. There it goes. See how it came off? And then so now, let's look on this side and see what we have here. Take this little boot off, okay? Make sure we don't lose that. And this should be almost loose already. Let's come inside again and see what's holding it on. It looks like this screw is still holding it on. So let's take this screw off and see what it does. Okay. So there it goes. Like it came off. So we have to take this little plug off right there. So this is off. But I wonder if this thing is broken or not. So we're gonna pop it off from right here. Push these in. Inside. That comes off. Okay, so this what we expected, what we kind of predicted, I guess you could say, was this was broken. See this right here? And look on the see it? See it right there? It's right there. See it? Okay. So we're gonna install the new one. See how that goes. So same way. This is gonna go from the So remember, the screw never comes out. This is the one that holds that clip on. So this is why when I said don't try to take it out, because most people will try to take it out, and it doesn't come out. It stays stationed. This one as well. This one actually comes out because what it does is this is what tightens the handle. This is a handle assembly. This is not the handle. This is the handle assembly. The other piece is the handle. So we're gonna take that off, and then on the outside, this is how it's gonna look. So we're gonna snap this back like glass, okay? So I'm gonna hold my hand here, my finger, so it doesn't fall out of place. So when I put this in, go on the other side. Okay. You see how it slides in there? Huh. See how you gotta hold right here, and you want to slide this over there. Boom. Okay, so this is there. Okay, this is there. So we're good to go there. We're set. Okay. Now we're gonna put the screw to tighten it in place, which is this one. So I'm gonna put it in there. Make sure it's grabbing. You shouldn't have to force it. So if you feel like it's cross-threading, like stop. Don't try to force it. Just let it kind of go freely, so that you don't cross-thread it and you make a big mess. This is like an extension. It's a Mexican extension. So let me see. So we look good there. This looks good here. Boom, this looks good. Okay. We have this little boot. This boot goes here. There should be a boot here, but I guess it's missing. So, because I think the handle fell off and the guy tried to fix it himself. So we have that there. There should be a boot here, but it's missing. And so this is what happens whenever they don't R&I the handles when they paint it. Somebody painted this door and they didn't R&I the handle, so now it's peeling. So let's get the rod hooked back up. Remember our rod? Let me see, the rod's in here somewhere. So look, you can see it from the top. Look, see right there? Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so the rod goes in like that, and then this just snaps down over it. Boom. Do you hear the snap? Did you hear the snap? And so this one right here, like I'm gonna snap this one right here. Boom, snap. And so you want to make sure that this is. You see how it's strapped there, and it's strapped here. You see how it's strapped here and here. The reason why is so whenever the glass goes up and down, it doesn't hit on the glass. It doesn't catch the glass. So now we're gonna insert our handle back. So look, remember I said the handle should go in pretty easy. So this usually goes in first, like this, and then this goes like this. See, that's how it should. That's how it should come up. But that clip was in the way. Okay, so that handle's in place there. So we're gonna come over here and we're gonna snap this back up. Remember here? Mm-hmm. Can you see it? Okay, you hear the snap. This clip overlaps there, and this locks that into place. Okay. So we're good there. Now we're gonna come on the outside, and this actually locks the handle in place. So we're just gonna set this in there, boom, and then we're gonna tighten this on this side, and this just holds that in place. See, I'm not gonna like torque it. I'm just gonna hand tighten it. Well, it's good. It's there. Now, and so you could try it like if you go like this, put this, you can lock the door. See, you try it there, because you don't want to close the door, and then now you're stuck. So that's one way to try it. And then we're gonna put our caps back on here. Cap goes there. We pretty much got everything tightened up in there. Put this back. And that's it. Ready to go. Should we try it or some goes on the bottom? Light comes on. Before you put the handle, make sure all your clips are on the door. So sometimes they get stuck here. You want to take them off. You want to put them back here. Also, you want to make sure this is not over the hole. You got that there. We're gonna take this back off. Put it over there. Handle's there. Okay, that goes there. Oh, this actually goes like this. Okay. So we're gonna put. We have this plug that goes here. Okay. This one goes here. This one's gonna go for our outside. This handle's gonna go like this. And this is gonna like clip. It's gonna hang on the door. It's hanging on. Okay. So before we start banging it in, we want to make sure everything's lined up. Because if you start to, you see right here, you can see the hose are lined up. See the clips? They're pretty lined up. You want to make sure that they're lined up before you start just banging it. Because if the clips are not, if they're not in the right position, they're gonna break. Okay, so now our plugs here for this is our panel. We're gonna put this screw back there. I was using this, so you can put that. So the tools we use for this was gonna be the 25 torque. This little screwdriver here. You get this maybe Harbor Freight or something. These are Harbor Freight. You get these from Harbor Freight. And there, maybe a flashlight. You can get a clip remover if you need one for the door panel. That's button up there. There's gonna be a screw that goes here for a handle. It should be lined up. Hopefully lined up. If it's not lined up, you can put this. There it goes. Boom, boom. There it goes. This fits back on there. Okay, boom, boom, boom. This goes here. Boom, it goes there. And this fits back on. Boom, you're there. You're tightened up. Make sure there's nothing here. Keys here. Boom. Now's the true test. Boom, got it.